Hi friends, how are you all? Today we're going to learn language art. And on language art, we will review beginning sounds. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Yes, this is apple. Apple. This is ant. 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 Ant and apple. Beginning sounds a. This is letter A sounds a. Cat. This is a cat. Cat. This is can. Can. So can and cat. K, k, k. Igloo. Igloo. Igloo is Eskimo house. Iguana. The woman holds her iguana. 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 Iguana and igloo. The beginning sounds is E. Lamb. Lamb. Lips. Lips. Lamb and lips. The beginning sound is L. L. Tomato. 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 The man is holding his tie. Tie. Tomato. Tie. Beginning sound T, 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 T. Owl. Owl. Octopus. Octopus. Owl and octopus beginning sounds ah. Ah. Flower. Flower. Fan. Fan. Flower and fan beginning sounds what is that? Gorilla, right? That's gorilla. Gorilla. This is grapes. Grapes. Who likes grapes? Me too. Grapes. Grapes and gorilla. Beginning sounds g, g, g. What is it, friends? Yes, it's dolphin. 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 So cute, right? I like dolphin. Dog. 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 Dolphin. Dog. Look, dolphin and the dog swimming together. The beginning sound is, yes, it's d, d, d. Now, how about we playing guessing games? Okay, let's start. Ant. Apple. What is the beginning sound? Is it d or a? Yes, it's a. Owl and octopus. The beginning sound, is it t, t, t or a? Yes, it's a. Flower. Fan. The beginning sound is it a or f? Which one, friends? Yes, it's f. Good job. Next, dog. Dolphin. Is it f or d, d, d? The beginning sound is, yes, it's d, d, d. Gorilla and grapes. Gorilla, grapes. What is the beginning sound? Is it d, d, d or g, g, g? Which one, friends? Yes, it's g, g, g. Well done. Lamb And lips. Is it g or o? The beginning sound is l. Cat. Look at the cat playing guitar. Can. Cat and can. What is the beginning sound? Is it k, k, k or l? Which one? Yes, it's k, k, k. Tomato and tie. What is the beginning sound, friends? Is it k, k or t, t? What is it? Yes, it's t, t, t. Thank you, friend, for playing with Missika. See you next time. Bye-bye.